How does the A go? And the B? The C? No, that one's K. Okay, the D? Very good. The E? F? G? How's the G go? Good. Alright, how's the H go? How's the I go?
No.
How does the J go?
No.
The J.
Ja.
Ja. How does the K go? How does the L go? La. How does the M go? How does the N go?
No.
Okay, how does the O go? How does the P go? Q? Good. How does the R go? How does the S go? T? T. How does the U go? Yeah, how does the V go? How does the W go? How does the X go? Very good. How does the Y go? And the Z. You did it! You know all your sounds.